Hello and welcome back. So in today's video we've come to Chesterfield again. Just seeing what's about. There's a few freight due today. A class 158's just come in. So just seeing what's about really, because there's supposed to be it might be a pretty decent one coming through later on this afternoon at 3 o'clock. It's going to Barrow Hill. There's supposed to be one due in a minute. It's a Network Rail. I think it were a class 150. You know, the Network Rail train, the train measurement. But obviously Chesterfield's changed all its parking system now. When you used to come, they used to what you'd do is you'd get your ticket when you're parking, and then you pay after you'd finished. But now it's gone to this ACO Connect app or something. I'm like, what? So I've had to mess around doing that, so I might have missed it. They have to keep changing it, thing here. Chesterfield's a good station, but they keep like adding shit and it does your head in. I mean, it cost me £6 to park Robin Gates. Right, so I'm just going to get everything set up. I've got my stall set up, got my latte ready. So let's see what comes. So sit back, relax, enjoy the trains, and thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back. We've got an EMR Intercity. Let's see if we can get a pip off and driver. Class 222. It's got a yellow. Oh no, he must have been stopping. I thought you were passing. Sorry, that's my mistake. My mistake. I thought he was stopping, I tell you. It's a very nice colour that on the EMR, on the inside. You know, that purpley colour. Not bad. Hello, we've got our class 222 EMR. This is off to Bedford. EMR in city. Actually, when I was getting a latte, there was some nice ladies all dressed up. They must have been going to like a wedding or something. They look pretty damn fine, I tell you. Hello and welcome back. We've got a, I think it's a Northern class class 195. I think it's going to Leeds. This is the Northern. Leeds bound, that one. So this one's the EMR 170, this one's going to Norwich. Norwich bound, this beast. Oops, sorry, gone a bit wobbly. Whoa, Jesus, gimbal's gone a bit mad. I tell you. Hello, we got another one on. I didn't check where this was going. Oh, this is the new liveried finger. The new livery, class 221. Oh, I think it's going to Edinburgh, I think. Alright, we've got one. Hello, we've got us first freight today. Finally. Class 66. Hello, we've got a cross country, class 221. This one's going to Liverpool Lime Street. Hello, we've got a Northern 195. Not sure where that's going to. I think it might be, that might be, I can't remember now. Hello, we've got a East Midlands Railways Intercity Class 222. This one's going to Sheffield. It's got no coaches, end bit can't fit on. Hello and welcome back. We got our Class 158 Liverpool Line Street. Got Class 66 on. I think that's going to Bedford, that one. Oh, there's a lot of police sirens today in Chesterfield. What's going on? Hey, there's a crooked spire there, look. Let me just zoom out. Crooked spire, I tell you. Sorry, I'm off subject. So I think that one said it was going to Bedford. .58 beast. Whoa, I've gone off a flipping thing here. How dare I? I think she said Norwich. That's a bit of a journey, isn't it? Norwich. Actually, talking about Norwich, some cheeky git on Vineyard wanted me to drive to Norwich to drop off a webcam. I thought, what planet are you on? That's the right distance for a webcam, you can bollocks. Sorry, I'm off subject again, I'm just rambling. I'll be alright. Right, thank you for watching. Hello and welcome back. I don't actually know where this is going because my real-time trains is all over the place. Plus we've got a freight train just coming behind us. That's going to Newcastle, that one. got class 66. That were a DRS, that one. And it's just started raining. Bloody hell, it's just started raining, I tell you. That's 70. Class 170. So that's going to Liverpool Lime Street, that one. Hello, we've got a cross-country service, class 221 to Plymouth. That don't have chuck some heat out when it goes past you. Hello, we've got a Northern class 195. I don't know where it's going. 195 005. Got a little pip there off the driver, thank you. spot finger. Hey, it's been quite busy today actually at Chesterfield today, you know, for a Saturday. Not bad, I tell you. So we got an EMR service to Sheffield. Hey, what's this? Oh, it's one of them new ones. Class 810. I ain't got one of these yet. The new one, the Class 810. Hello and welcome back. We've got another one on, we've got a fast one. I think it's a Voyager. Yeah, we got a Voyager beast. Right, buddy.
You done? Are you coming back?
I'm not sure, I think there's a Barrow Hill one during a bit. You know, like, it's called John's Adventures. I don't know if you watch YouTube.
A bit, but yeah.
Having a bit of a conversation then with Freightliner driver, Class 66. Hello and welcome back. We've got our cross-country Voyager. Hello, we got another one on. We've got our Class 66.